Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline year animation with Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. This sleek animation effect is perfect for showcasing project milestones, company history, or any date-based content in your videos. Let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where we'll begin setting up our composition. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner and click on Media Pool. This is where all your project assets live. Now right-click anywhere in the Media Pool area and select New Fusion Composition from the menu that appears. A dialog box will pop up asking for some settings. Set the frame rate to 30, then click Create. This establishes a blank canvas specifically for Fusion work. Once your composition is created, right-click on it again, and this time select Open in Fusion Page. This switches you over to the Fusion environment where all the node-based magic happens. On the top left side of the Fusion page, click on Effects. This opens up your toolbox of creative elements. From there, click on Tools, then navigate to and click on Shape. You'll see various shape options appear. Drag Shape Rectangle into your node editor, then also drag Shape Render. These two nodes will form the foundation of your timeline base. In the Builder tool area, drag a merge node into your workspace. Now comes the connection part. Link these nodes together until they ultimately connect to media out. This creates the basic flow for your animation to render properly. Click on the rectangle node you just added. Over in the inspector panel, adjust the height value to 0.003, then set the width to 0.85. This creates a thin horizontal line that will serve as your timeline bar. Next, click on Render, then click the rectangle node in the Builder tool to mask it. This step helps control how your elements interact visually. Click on the rectangle mask you just created and set the soft edge value to 0.2. This gives your timeline a subtle, polished look rather than harsh edges. Now in the Builder tool, drag both a text node and a transform node into your workspace. Connect the text node to the transform node, then connect the transform node to your merge node. This chain will handle all your year labels and their movement. Click on the text node and input your years. For example, type 2022. Then continue adding subsequent years like 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2026. These will be the markers that animate across your timeline. Select the transform node and increase the size value to make your text clearly visible. Then decrease the center X value until the first year in your sequence appears centered on screen. After that, increase the center Y value until your years sit just above the timeline bar you created earlier. Click on the merge node, then click the rectangle node to add a mask to it. Resize this mask carefully until only one year shows at a time. Then increase the soft edge slightly to create a smooth reveal effect as years transition. Now let's create the actual animation. Select your transform node and move the playhead back to the very start of your timeline. Click the small diamond shape icon beside center to create a keyframe. This locks in your starting position. Now move the playhead forward to frame 90. Adjust the center X value until your starting year moves to the center position. This creates the motion path for your animation. On the top menu, click Spline to open the animation curve editor. Check the transform option to see your animation data, then click the expand icon to view the graph in detail. Click the select all icon to highlight all your keyframes, then click the curve icon to switch to curve view. Here you can adjust the curve handles to create smooth, professional easing effects. Play around with these curves until the motion feels natural and pleasing to watch. Once you're satisfied with the animation curve, click back on the transform node. In the inspector panel, click on settings and check the motion blur option. This adds realistic motion blur to your animated text, making it look much more cinematic and polished. Now switch back to the edit page by clicking edit at the bottom. Drag the Fusion composition you just created from your media pool onto your timeline, and there you have it, a smooth, professional timeline year animation ready to enhance your video projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.